Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'm going to quickly introduce the new simple number cards from the site. Now, the cards here are 1 to 10, but on the website, numbers 1 to 100 are available absolutely free. The cards can also be printed out at this size, a smaller size, or any size up to what your printer can handle. Now, the reason these cards are so good is because they have the numeral as well as the number word. So after your children can read the numerals, you can also teach reading by cutting off the number word and playing pairing games. Another thing you should remember as a teacher is that many young children can count 1 to 10, but pulling out a random number sometimes is difficult for the children to remember. So what I do is drill the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 together, and then say you're going to play an activity. And when you point, you have to say. So if you point to 3, everybody has to say 3. And you can make this fun by slowly picking up speed until the children are laughing and joking with each other. I also recommend drilling numbers before any simple arithmetic, addition or subtraction. The cards can also be used when doing simple addition or subtraction. For example, 1 plus 3 equals 4. You can do this by placing sticker magnets on the flashcards, using them on the board at the front of the classroom. I hope this was useful for you. If you like these cards and hundreds of other worksheets, flashcards and teaching materials, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.